Hey guys, I'm so excited because it is finally Halloween season, kind of. I'm actually filming this video in September, but I'm not going to put it up until October because I kind of want to keep all of my Halloween themed videos in one month. But yeah, today we are going to be looking at the Dusk Halloween collection, which I'm so excited about. So there's only 3 candles in this video to actually show you, but they only had 3 candles. But they also came out with like wax melts and oils and stuff like in the same scent. I feel like my camera is too like, let's aim it down a little. Is that better? I feel like that's a little bit better. Also, I don't have eyelashes on today, so I feel a little bit bald, but anyway. So, what was I saying? Yeah, so they had lots of other stuff in their actual Halloween collection as well. They had some really cute, like, what's the word? Like, decorations and all that kind of stuff. And they also had these cool, like, bleeding candles. So when you light them, like, they look like they're bleeding. I really did want to buy some of the decorations and stuff, but my house just isn't at the point yet where, like, you know, like we don't have a dining table or like any furniture out in the lounge room or anything like that. So it's kind of just like there would be no point in a sense. Oh, I think there's actually new things. Is there? Let's have a look. Maybe not. But yeah, so there's some really cool like novelty candles. There's some little like LED things. Really cute. Maybe I should have got some of them. Next year I feel like it's going to be a lot better because hopefully my house will actually be sorted to the point where I can like fully decorate and stuff, but there is just like no point this year. So but yeah, they had some really cute things and I feel like it's going to be the same for Christmas, so that is super exciting. I finally joined Dusk Rewards, so I get a discount now on like the candles and stuff, so that's exciting. Anyway, let's get into the candles. Also, I ordered these online because I got like early access online or something and they came super quick. So that was really good. I think this year they've done such a good job with the packaging. Like they look so good. And I got these for quite cheap as well because I got my Dusk Rewards discount. So normally they're $40. I got mine for $36. But then I also had a $15 off coupon. So when you join Dusk Rewards, it costs $15 for 2 years and you pay then and there. But then you get a $15 voucher emailed to you. So it's kind of, it's basically like when you think about it, it's kind of like free to join. Kind of. Anyway, and then you get like all the sales and all that kind of stuff. I don't know why I've never joined before because I spend a lot of money at Dusk. But anyway, so I'm going to save my favourite one for last. So first one we have here is called Pumpkin Crumble. Also, these are 80-hour candles. So, but like, can we just take a moment for the packaging? Like, I just feel like they look really nice. And the actual candles themselves are beautiful. So, this is how the candle looks here. Like, I just feel like it's absolutely stunning. So once again, this one is Pumpkin Crumble and they all have different little decorations on them. My only issue with these is once you take them out of the packaging, it doesn't say anywhere on the actual candle what scent it is. But like, I guess that's fine, but that's just my only critique. So it says an enchanting blend of rich pumpkin and pistachio served up on an All Hallows Eve with handfuls of spices and generous dollops of whipped vanilla cream. It does smell really good. I do really like it. I love pumpkin scented things. So that is the first one. The next one is probably the least favourite of mine, but still, this is the Witch's Brew. The packaging is stunning though. I feel like this packaging is probably my favourite, but the scent itself is probably my least favourite. But, oh, it is actually just stunning. Like, it's this really deep purple glass, and then it has, like, gold and, like, orange accents all through it. It's really pretty. And I just think, like, oh, it's just so stunning. I don't know if you can see that, but, like, on the front it says Dusk. Then we have a little cat, a little pumpkin, a little cauldron, and a little owl. See, like, I feel like where it says Dusk, they could easily put this in there, but anyway. So yeah, this one is just not my favourite. Like, I honestly don't know if I'll even keep it. Might have to put it in a giveaway or something because I just don't know if I can get around the scent. But it says, the perfect potion of zesty orange, candied apple and cinnamon, completed with a dash of spice. Which is weird because you'd think I'd like it. Like, all of those things sound amazing. But, yeah, I don't know. I'll have to wait and see. Like, it's definitely a very, like, spicy scent. So, don't know. And then the last one is my absolute favourite. This is Trick or Treat. And yeah, this one's my favourite. This one is really, really pretty. It's like a transparent pink kind of jar. But the actual wax itself is pink, so and then the little accents on it are red and purple. And I just think it is so cute and so pretty. But this one smells incredible and honestly smells like Zappos. This one is wickedly delectable and sugar-filled your trick-or-treat. Blueberries and rich red fruits, a dazzle of warm woody notes and sprinkling of heady florals. But this one is incredible. It smells so good. I really want to buy, I kind of want to buy another one. It's super unique. Like, I feel like I don't have a candle that smells like this. But it really does smell like Zappos to me, if you guys know what they are. But yeah, that was everything in the little haul that I got from Dusk. I really don't know what to do about that witch's brew candle because I just can't see myself, like, lighting it. So I don't really know if I should put it in a giveaway or what to do with it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out my Patreon if you want some more videos. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.